Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. So, when you're in a call with somebody, then what you guys can try is check the call volume. And because of the settings, let me show you, and the sound, here we cannot change the call volume. But what we can do is we can change it while being in a call. So that's the most important thing. Now try and disable Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices to the tablet. Now if there was a device connected to your tablet, then it could route the audio there, and that might be the issue of you having no sound while in a call. So after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grills. There are 4 of them, one here and here, and one here and here. So basically, you need to clean them with a soft brush, for example, or compressed air, and then test it with another call or an app, so for example WhatsApp. Now, the next one is to reset your tablet. So click the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Let me do it again. And now swipe up to restart the device. So I'll see you once my tablet is back from the restart. So now after the restart, let's go over here and try and reset the settings in the tablet. So go here, scroll down to the system and update. Now click back up in the reset and click reset device. Now here I didn't mean all settings, I meant the network and Bluetooth settings. It can fix a lot of stuff, including the no sound during calls. So make sure to reset them, and after that you should be ready to go. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.